Bobby Deol has come a long way from doing this to this. सरजी देर आए पर दुरुस्त आए. Hi guys, just finished watching Class of 83 on Netflix and here's my quick review. The Class of 83 is a movie based on the book The Class of 83, The Punishes of Mumbai Police, written by celebrated author Hussain Zaidi. Zaidi, regarded as Mumbai's top crime reporter back in the day. Nobody knew Mumbai and its underworld like he did. Zaidi's books have inspired many films. Dogri to Dubai was made by Sanjay Gupta into Shootout at Badala. Mumbai Avengers was made by Kabir Khan into Phantom. And Black Friday, which was adapted by Anurag Kashyap, still considered as his best work till date. With a pedigree like that, you know that the material in hand is solid, authentic, and hard-hitting. Given the right direction, it could be an entertaining watch as well. But given the right direction. The Class of 83 is a story about an honest officer who is on a punishment posting as a dean in Nasik's police training academy. There he spots and grooms 5 backbenchers to take on the system and the underworld. Now this is a wild guess, I'm not sure, but it seems to me that director Atul Sabharwal actually maybe wanted to make a 10-part web series based on the material that he had in hand. And then maybe due to studio or budget pressure settled for making a movie instead. Now I say this because the movie oscillates from detailed indulgence in some parts to hurried abstinence in certain. Enough time is spent setting up the premise, the training, building camaraderie between the newbies. But once the bunch claim their first victim in a nicely scripted and executed encounter, the movie hastens, running through events, relying heavily on voiceover to tell the viewers what happened, how time has passed, etc. etc.
बंबई, ये शहर किसी जंग के मैदान से कम नहीं था. पूरा शहर बारूद के ढेर पर बैठा था. बस कोई माचिस जलाने वाला चाहिए था.
The return of Dean Vijay too is simplistic and the climax feels hurried as well. On second thoughts, this could have been better off as a web series. Something like Atul's previous work, Powder. Then he and his creative team could have had a chance to flesh out many aspects of storytelling, the characters, their backstories. Heck, they could have at least worked on creating a formidable villain. All of which seems missing in this current version. The movie works though fantastically as a period drama. The attention to detail is evident in the way the film is shot, the cinematography, the costumes. The background score by Gupt famous Viju Shah are all on point. Even the film posters and the ads on the buses are spot on. But as much as you admire the hard work put into all of this, it's not enough to get you sucked into the story. The performances by newbies Jadawat, Bhojraj and Paranjpai are formidable. They look ready for the big league and walk away with full marks on this. So does Bobby Deol, who is the surprise package. He delivers a restrained performance and holds the moral center of the film like a rock. But as I always say, that the movie has to be bigger than the sum of its parts. It can't merely exist as Bobby Deol's comeback vehicle or the newcomer's acting showpiece or even a cinematographic masterpiece, which this one is. It has to be bigger and better. The story of cops twisting the law in order to serve justice is nothing new. So one relies on the treatment this story would get in order to make it watchable. And having loved all of Atul's previous work, including Powder, Aurangzeb, and even My Wife's Murder, I was expecting something much more dense and much more intense. All in all, Class of 83 is a decent watch for the way it's shot and its performance. I wish it could have been better. So on the binge meter, I would keep it at average. You can catch this one on Netflix. If you like the content that I put out, then please share and like this video. It helps. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media to get the latest reviews and recommendations. I put out a new video every week. And as usual, thank you for all the love. Bye bye.